Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can turn off or disable Windows Defender on your Windows PC. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your settings app on your PC, for which you have to click on this Windows icon that you can see right here. And after clicking on it, there you will be able to see the option of settings. If you can't see here, you can simply just go to the search bar and start typing settings. After you have typed that, here you can see the option. You can simply just double click on it and open it. So after you've done that, on the left side here, you will be able to see the option of privacy and security right here. Click on it. And after clicking on it, there you will be able to see the option of Windows security right here. Click on it. And after opening your Windows security, here you will be able to see the option of virus and threat protection. You can click on it. So now in here, scroll down, and then under the virus and threat protection settings, here you will be able to see the option of manage settings. Click on it. And after clicking on it, here you can see the real-time protection. All you have to do is turn off this toggle button by simply just clicking on it like this. Now there will be the option of yes or no. You can simply just click on the yes option. And like this, you can see the real-time protection is turned off. And just like this, you have now successfully turned off your Windows Defender. That is all you have to do in order to turn off or disable your Windows Defender. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.